Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag PostgreSQL DB tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn PostgreSQL SSL setup on Ubuntu 24.04 for LTS. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So this is the below is the complete beginner-friendly production-ready guide to the enable SSL TSL on PostgreSQL Ubuntu 24.04 for LTS, and we are starting from the installation of Postgres, open source SSL creation, PostgreSQL configuration, testing, and benefits of SSL. So what is the SSL in PostgreSQL? SSL in TSL encrypts data in the transit between the Postgres server and clients. So whenever you are communicate is doing the application server to database server, protecting credentials and sensitive data from the encryption. So install PostgreSQL on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So we'll go through the step-by-step process, and we need require a Ubuntu 24.04 LTS server. So my server is running with the VMware workstation. So this is server, so Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Now I'm going to access my server. So while installing, I have given the username, password, and IP address. So SSH DPT the user and 192.168.136.128. So enter, and password is the simple I'm using for the testing purpose, admin@123. So we have accessed my server. Now first, whenever you are working with the Ubuntu or any Linux servers, so update your server first. So sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade and give the permission y invalid operation. Okay, update and upgrade, everything installed now. So next we are going to install the PostgreSQL. So in Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS, automatically it will store the PostgreSQL 16. So default repository added on the Postgres is 16. So I'll create the next video for the PostgreSQL 17 and PostgreSQL 18. Already we have created the video, many video regarding the installation. So you can go through that for the detailed installation process. So now I'll check the status of the PostgreSQL. So sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Okay. So this is active and running. So now I'll check the version of PSQL. So there is a running of the PostgreSQL 16.11. Okay, so this is the latest version for the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So automatic, there is a already repository and GPG key is added on the PostgreSQL on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So now I'll move for the creating the directory for the SSL and giving the ownership for the directory and giving the permission. Change the mode. So done. Now go and just switch to the user Postgres user, then cd, go to this directory and ls. So we don't have any data now. Now I'm going to create a root CA. So I'm going to create the CA certificate. So root CA certificate. So this is the certificate creation command. So here I'm passing the country is India, state is Jharkhand, location is Ranchi, and there is a PostgreSQL and Postgres-CA. This is a company name. This is the PostgreSQL organization I'm passing. So enter. So created. Now check with that ls. So CA CRT certificate and key is created now. So next we are moving for the create the server certificate. created. After that, we are creating the RSA key, CSR. Less. So server CSR and server keys generated. Using the CSR, we are going to create the CA server CRT. So LS. So now CA CRT is there, CA key is there, CA SRL, and here we have created the server CRT, and these things are before also. Okay. So this is done. Now create the client certificate, optional but recommended. So we'll create the client certificate here. So next, configure the PostgreSQL to use SSL. So find PostgreSQL configuration directory. So on, we know the directory path already. So this is the directory path. I'm going to use this path, nano, and use this path. The Postgres user we don't have. So exit and go to the root user and just run this command. Okay. Now Control W and search for the SSL. SSL. Okay. So SSL is on now. I'm going to comment this out and going to use my SSL. So already we have created. So I'm going to use the server CRT, server key, and CSCRT. Control X, Y, and save this one. Now move to next command. I'm going to, whenever you are using, so you have to provide the HBA file configuration. So this is the host-based authentication file. It will decide which IP is going to be allowed for the PostgreSQL. So here, for the testing purpose, we are forcing the SSL to all. Done. Control X, Y. After doing this changes, configuration changes, you have to restart your service. So systemctl restart and your service name PostgreSQL. So this is done. Now I'm going to check my SSL, so SSL. So sudo -u -i -u, and then our username Postgres and psql command directly command directly -c command I'm running, and I will just run the so SSL. Okay. So SSL is on. So this is done. Now we are moving for the test SSL connection. So check SSL from PSQL. So just log in to PSQL, PSQL, and just create the password for the Postgres. Exit from there. Now I'll just run through the connect with the SSL. Give the password. So now on info, check with the connection info. Here you can see you are connected to the database Postgres as a Postgres user on the host local host, and SSL connection is the protocol TLS version 1.3. Cheaper, there is a TLS AES 256 GCM and SHA 384, and compression is off. So this is the connection you are connecting with the SSL. Next, client certificate connection example. When you are connecting with the client, you have to provide like this. Okay, you have to server IP, then database name, then username, then host name you have to pass, and you have to pass the certificate details. So later on video, I'll show you the client connection. So here, in step 8, verify the SSL usage per session. So you can run this command. So here you can see PID, username, client address, and SSL is true, version 1.3, and TLS 1.3, TLS is 256, GCM, SHA 384, and bits is 256. So we are able to connect all the things. So now benefits of SSL in PostgreSQL. So encryption protects data from the sniffing, and credential safety, password not sent in the plain text, MITM protection. So man in middle, this is a MITM. So between your server and your database server and application server, there is a prevent the man in attack at man in the middle attacks. So compliance required for the ISO, SOC2 and PCI-DSS, and secure remote access safe over the public networks, and replication security encrypts streaming replication. So real world example is that with SSL, when we are connecting, so client is there and plain text password is passing there, and Postgres we are connecting. But with SSL there is a client text and there is a encrypted TLS data, then PostgreSQL. So production recommendation is there, use CA signed certificates, let's encrypt or internal CA. So enforce host SSL only, use SSL mode verify full, rotate certificates annually, and combined with the SCRM SHA-256 authentication. So summary of this video is that PostgreSQL install, create open source SSL certificate, enable SSL in Postgres. So force encrypted connection, tested and verified encryption. So step by step, I have shown you all the steps regarding the PostgreSQL SSL setup on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logo names belongs to their respective owners. This video made only for the educational purpose and information only for the fair use section 107 Copyright Act 1976. So follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook and WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there for the latest update. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comments. Thank you.